morning, all the students. Standard 6th subject English. In the last video, we covered activity 4 Smart Boy Invent Smart Bell Part 1, and now we all are solving workbook activity about activity 4 part 1. So open your workbook and complete the activity about activity 4. First question है, read the following text carefully and answer the question given below it. पेरा को केयरफुली रीड करके क्वेश्चन आंसर को सॉल्व करना है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इन्वेंशन इज स्मार्ट बेल. किस टाइप का इन्वेंशन स्मार्ट बेल से हुआ है. क्या आंसर आएगा? आंसर आएगा, स्मार्ट बेल इज सच एन इन्वेंशन ऑफ अ डोरबेल दैट fools burglars into thinking somebody is at home is an empty house. Then second question, how is the regular doorbell usually answered. Regular doorbell कैसे आंसर करते हैं यूजुअली. आंसर आएगा, यूजुअली द रिंगिंग of the doorbell is answered by opening the door to admit the visitor waiting at the door. Then third, what may happen in the UK in case of burglars. In case of burglars, if no one answers the doorbell, the burglars may go into the empty house and steal the things. क्या होता था कि जब कोई आंसर नहीं करता था तो क्या होता था कि burglars enter the house and steal all the things. Then second activity, select the most appropriate option from the options given as answer to the questions given below and writes its relevant number letter in the provided box against the questions. One type of MCQs question. This prose extract article is, वो किसका आर्टिकल था. आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन सी, न्यूज़ पेपर रिपोर्ट. देन सेकंड, लॉरेंस रुक इज, आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन ए, अ ब्रिटिश बॉय ऑफ 13. ब्रिटिश बॉय था लॉरेंस रुक और 13 ईयर का. देन थर्ड, लॉरेंस रुक्स इन्वेंशन ऑफ अ डोरबेल इज, डोरबेल आंसर आएगा fools burglars. Then fourth, the owner of the house answered the doorbell by option D, opening the door to admit the visitors. Then fifth one, if no one answered the doorbell, answer आएगा option B, the visitors will go away. Then sixth, if no one answered the smart bell, the smart bell option C does something special. Then seventh, if burglars ring the doorbell and no one answered the burglars may option D go into the empty house and steal things. Like this, you write down the answer in the provided box against the question. Then third exercise, put it mark right in the box against the following statement if they are true and the cross mark if they are false. First question, first sentence, the newspaper reporter about smart bell is from Britain. It is also a right, true. Then second, the newspaper report reads about the British schoolboy of 13 and his invention. It's also a true. Then third, Lawrence Rook belongs to northern England. It's false. Lawrence Rook belongs to the southern England. Then fourth, the smart bell's functions are different from those of a regular bell. It's false. Different from those regular bells से different smart bell जो है वो नहीं था, उसके function different नहीं थे. Then fifth, usually visitors ring the doorbell to let the owner of the house know someone is at door. It's also a true. Here our activity force exercise are completed, and in the next video we will be understand activity 7, that is smart boy invents smart bell part 2. You all have to complete activity about these all chapters which we understand to till today. Thank you.